Karamoja nyezde ronge ja Ekumau while others shoman arade tamtos lo jokota ukapugan no pedora aigangitidwe ngunu lude shomete yongetelo Anti Corruption Coalition Uganda nyezde je podon kinibore yenda Aibironor toridwe lom konyedo igangite toto manosomeroi.
Despite several and donor funded programs in this region of Karamoja, such as the universal primary education, the universal secondary education, Karamoja Integrated Development Program, Karamoja Primary Education Program supported by the Irish Aid, the WFP, that is World Food Program, school feeding initiatives, all aim to supporting education in the sub-region. The performance of the schools, however, remains not impressive and not performing as expected.
Kwenye dole ya itosinu ashoman keza apote chamoto, ebero ngakise jaki datioksom noda yatakena, ibori toltola kechiswamu nepeka ashomani nada idue.
We still have inadequacy of classrooms in our district. A school like Napowai, Domoye, Ekumau, and Esisiak still have only 6 classrooms. That means the 7th class is still studying outside and studying under trees. And then when you go to teachers' accommodation, the situation is even more and more appalling. You go to a school which has 12 teachers, as only a 4-room teacher's house, accommodating all the 12 teachers. And so you can see how dangerous and appalling the whole situation is.
Also those who are lucky to be sponsored by maybe Straight Talk, Fawe used to be there. They are taken to school. They behave like it is an NGO wants them to be at school. But for them, they are not willing to be at school. That's why you see, when you study, most of these girls enrolled at school by these organizations, you find most of them dropping out. Imagine the organization has promised you full package of education, right from the lowest level where you are to the university. But you struggle, you don't want to sit P7, even P7 is not easy for you to complete. You come to O level, before when you complete O level, you have dropped out to twice. So you find that some children think it is up to the organization. It's like the organization who wants them to be at school. But
araide jati ukisono, Karamoja nyezde bakaida batama bereja utene loda shoman, mamdero no itira na jokede ponelo lemseka jaro kau.
But there is a great difference now. Karamoja is not as it was before. And we believe, it is our hope that there is time for everything. And the Karamoja gradually is improving.
We have started forming 15 members of education committee in each clan. We don't want any child to be in the crowd. We need all our children to go to school. And we are going to take the traditional measures of disciplinary measures against the parents who refuse to take their child to school.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Karamoja.